More on our top story, where Victoria's State Control Centre has been activated to deal with the spread of COVID-19. The virus now declared a state emergency. It comes as 3 additional cases are confirmed, forcing a second school to close.
The State Control Centre, a command centre in the heart of Melbourne, is usually reserved for natural disasters like bushfires and floods. Now it's been activated for coronavirus, with the outbreak declared a level 2 emergency.
It was agreed the time was right to escalate and to stand up the State Control Centre to Tier 2.
The State Control Centre will provide a central point for all government agencies to coordinate a response to COVID-19. It allows for a state of disaster to be declared, which would give the Chief Health Officer, Premier and Health Minister extensive powers to shut down public gatherings or areas.
For example, for the quarantine of a group of persons or for an area to be declared in which social distancing measures can be imposed.
The Premier saying it's only a matter of time before these powers are exercised.
But it is, as I said yesterday, not a matter of if, but a matter of when we move from that phase to a pandemic with all of those very, very disruptive actions.
Victorians seeking to be tested for coronavirus at 7 COVID-19 clinics across the state are facing unprecedented queues, including here at the Royal Melbourne Hospital. The government now examining additional measures to cope with the demand.
I would certainly be welcoming GPs in Victoria to put their hands up and to work with other colleagues to make sure that we can get these standalone GP clinics to enable really the screening process to speed up and to enable more Victorians to be tested for COVID-19.
3 new cases of coronavirus were detected in Victoria, all recent returns from the United States. One, a man in his 50s, is a teacher at the Yeshivah-Beth Rivkah College. The Jewish school has closed its doors to protect students, the second to do so in as many days, with many more expected. Patrick Murrell, Sky News, Melbourne.